We knew when we found this fossil that it was going to change our understanding of evolution at this point in geological history. The rock, the big land. Newfoundland and Labrador is home to some of the greatest geological discoveries on the planet. Follow along as we journey across these legendary coasts, unearthing stories millions of years in the making. Scientists from all over the world have long known about the remarkable geology found here and how it set the stage for some of life's most pivotal moments. Allow me, Dr. Jack Matthews, to be your guide across this magnificent province. Here we have a beautiful example of the evolutionary revolution that is happening here at Fortune Head. And these dots, lines and squiggles are showing for the first time animals are starting to burrow up and down, churning up the sediment. One of the most important geological transitions in all of Earth history. This is actually the largest fluorite deposit in North America. The reason we've got this notch here is because of a small-scale mining operation to remove the very valuable fluorite here. Dover allows you to see where two continents collided and then were permanently welded together, and we can see that in the notches in the landscape. This is an amazing specimen of Heyutia quadriformis, a 560 million-year-old fossil that tells us the story of when animals first flexed their muscles. And if we look a little bit closer, we can actually see those muscle fibers preserved in immaculate detail. And this organism would have been living on the bottom of the deep dark sea all those years ago and would have probably looked a little bit like a wine glass with some arms at the top. This rock is known as a gneiss. It is formed under immense pressure and temperature as mountains are being built. It's from the northern part of Labrador and it's 3.9 billion years old. That not only makes it the oldest rock in the province of Newfoundland and Labrador, but very nearly the oldest rock in the world. So this is a wonderful specimen of Peridotite from the Gros Morne National Park. Now, when it was deep under the earth, it was this very deep green colour, and that's because of a mineral called olivine. But the moment we bring that to the surface, it reacts with the oxygen in the atmosphere, and we get this characteristic rusty red surface that evokes feelings of even being on Mars. Here at Manuel's River, you can not only take in the superb interpretation centre, but also go on a wander down one of their many trails. Some of them have Cambrian rocks from 500 million years ago, and within them some internationally important fossils. So let the fossil hunt begin. Well, we've got about 3,000 to 4,000 here on an area less than half the size of a tennis court, and we think they're preserved in such immaculate detail because of the influence of volcanic ash that came in, cast their outsides and preserve them in the detail that we can see today. And that's what's really exceptional about this site here at Mistaken Point. We haven't just got a few isolated fossils, but thousands in one place, an entire community from 565 million years ago. With more than 29,000 kilometres of diverse coastline to explore, travellers to Newfoundland and Labrador are bound to uncover a unique geological experience right beneath their feet.